any interview, first of all, the person is trying to judge ये बंदा कितना इसकी फटती है कि नहीं फटती है. Will he be able to take pressure? You could be completely off on the answer, but it is important that you're at least thinking the right way, because then it's only Google searches, right? What percentage of India eat fish, for example? Like the way I always tell people is that in any interview, you know you have done a good job if you ended up having a conversation and not a question and answer session. And also that he is doing, interviews, he's doing interviews. So you have to figure out a way to stand out from that clutter of people who go in saying, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, no sir.
There is absolutely no substitute for great academic performance in a B-school. So when you say you're on your top of your game, whatever you're going to major in, your grades in that have to be top-notch. Second thing, the first semester is tougher than the second semester. People are competing in the first semester, and after people get their grade, a lot of people lose interest midway. So by the end of the first semester, not a lot of people will be competing. First semester toughest, you're doing your summers, the schedule is crazy, your classes start at X time, and like 6 assignments on the day, you're not sleeping, etc. It's crazy at B-school. It's nothing like you've seen in undergrad.
I have seen people with very high experience, but they always have done their research enough to really know what they were looking for. I think the difference in what a very young person joining ISB or the average class, which is 4-5 years experience, 4 years experience versus high, you would see the pace at which they would do the course was different. They're doing an MBA, they're very sure of why they're doing an MBA. It's not like figure out getting.
If you are anyways planning to do your MBA, even after getting into an investment banking job, then I would suggest don't go for an MNC.
Okay.
Logic being कि तुम्हें prep का time नहीं मिले. So there are pros and cons of course. कि अगर घूम फिर के IB में ही आना है और IB job मिल रही है तो MBA क्यों करो? Let me assure you कि if you're giving your CATs or your GMATs alongside a full-fledged investment bank, an MNC like a JP Morgan, time नहीं मिलने वाला.
The way you become successful when you build a company is to typically hire somebody who is smarter than you at something. What you need to be focused on is what is your goal and to have clarity about what is it that you are building. Your grounding in CA a limitation for you to build a tech company? The answer is no. At some point you will realize that okay, tech has become so integral to my business that I need to maybe get a tech co-founder or I need to hire a really strong CTO, and you go ahead and do that.